Okay, my name is V. Chandrakiran Reddy. I am a 10th ranker GATE 2020. Today I will be discussing about various opportunities. As I think we have already released a video. Actually, it's not a live session. It is basically a video that we have released. Today, if any of the students has any doubts, they can ask me anything. That's why we have started this session. And today we are going to be discussing various opportunities for petrol engineering students in oil and gas industry, and what are the main things that they can do after they graduate from their respective colleges. Okay, let's start the session. Firstly, I would like to introduce to you a user interface. What are the things you can do around in the interface that you are right now working. As you can see from the top right hand side, this is the button where you can sign out or sign in. Please remember it. And this is the notification button, where if any future teacher want to talk to you privately, or if you want to talk to you, he will able to send notification to here. The other thing is your classmates. You can see how many who are your classmates. This is very important thing. This is raise hand button. We have actually custom made this whole software for our use. If any of the student right now have any doubts on throughout the session, they can just press this button and ask the doubt there, or so the teacher can know who is asking the doubt, and he can explain it to you at the same time during the session. And if you come to the left hand side, this is the live feed. This is the live feed, and this is a live chat. If the students have any doubts regarding the subject, or any questions you want to ask the teacher, you can ask here in the live chat, or through the raise hand button. And this will be the area where the student will be presented about PPT or any videos or any other things, the whiteboard. Yeah, I think this is the main features of the software right now we are using. So please remember these things. One of the main things you have to remember is the raise hand feature and the live chat button, where you can communicate with the teacher. That's very important for a student to prepare well. That is, they should have a healthy communication with the teacher. Yeah. Today I will be discussing, I think as last study, on the last video, I think I have discussed what are the job opportunities through GATE, what are the GATE opportunities, what are the MTech opportunities. And today I will, apart from that, today I will be discussing mainly on the GATE preparation strategy. What should be your strategy when you are preparing for GATE in petroleum engineering? That's very important. After that, we will be talking about the Petrodice Academy, what are its products and services, and what are its features, and what are the main features of the online live classes, and what is the main teaching strategy behind the online live classes, and how it will help you in your preparation. And today we are also going to be discuss about the video lectures. As you already know that we are going to be releasing a new product into the market, that is a video lecture series. This video lecture series, we will also be talking about that. Apart from that, we will also be discussing what is the main difference between the online lecture series, online live classes, and video lecture series, and what is its registration and what is its fee structure. Okay, first to the job opportunities. Okay, I am not audible to you. Am I audible to other students? Can you please type something in the live chat button? Yes. Amay Kumar, I think if you best sign in and sign out again and see, you can remove your history, catches, and every other thing. Remove your catches and remove your history and try to sign in again. I think then you can then I will be audible to you. I think there is something wrong with your browser. Try to remove all the caches and everything. Okay. I will be continuing the lecture. Right now, what I would like to say is, if any of the students have any doubts regarding the lecture or anything I am teaching, you can stop me at any time and ask me the questions. That is by raising hand or through the live chat button. Okay. I think in the last video we have discussed. I will go very fast throughout these topics. One is what are the job opportunities for petroleum engineering students after post their graduation, and what are the main job opportunities in the private sector company and the public sector company, and we will be discussing here. That is through campus and off campus and GATE. Let me discuss about it. Yeah. What are the main job opportunities? I will go very fast in this. There are private sector companies and in public sector companies. Mainly in private sector companies, there are two. They are actually, we can classify them as two. One is which take every year regularly. Every year means we know for particularly sure that after GATE ONGC will recruit. Similarly, the private sector companies will regularly recruit in this particular set of time. That comes under regularly. The other is based on their vacancies. Means they can release the notification anytime during a year, and they will recruit the students. One of the company that recruits regularly is Shell India company. Shell India company, and it recruits 2 times in a year. Even though it recruits 2 times in a year, a particular student can apply only once in a year. That is, in a year can only apply once. That is, they will just generally they will conduct the recruitment, one in October and the other one in March. If a particular student has applied for the March session, he cannot apply for the October session. The next time which he can apply is the next March. That is after 1 year. The general recruitment process for Shell India is they'll actually call for CVs, and they will make you fill an application form. After that, they shortlist the students based on the CV and the application. And wait a minute, Amey Kumar, I think there is something wrong with your sound system. You can sign out, remove all the catches and everything, and try to sign in again. Okay, I'll just continue the class. Yeah, CV's application form, and they will, wait a minute, there will be an aptitude and a psychometric test. After that, they will shortlist the students based on the aptitude and psychometric test for a phone call interview, and then finally they will call for a Skype interview. The students who has shortlisted for the phone call will automatically go to the Skype call. Mainly in Shell India, during these interviews, they will mainly focus on your projects. They won't see if it's a good project or bad project. They will just see on the understanding of the project by you. That is, how well do you understand your project, and how can you explain it to them. And communication skills is very important for applying for Shell India. And there are also many other companies which recruit regularly, and I will if any of the companies notify for a job recruitment, we will display it on our job notification web page and on every other social media on our social media platforms. The other companies which recruit based on their vacancies are Reliance India Limited, that is Kane India, Schlumberger, and various other things, Halliburton, Baker Hughes, and others. I will just talk about Reliance India Limited. They will have a separate exam. After a separate exam, they will have a GD session, and they will call for an interview. Okay. After that, during the interview process, they will mainly focus on your understanding of the knowledge, understanding of the subject and every other thing. Even though they will also search for your projects also. When it comes to public sector companies, there are mainly two companies, as we already know. One is ONGC, that recruits through GATE. Other one is Oil India Limited, that has their own separate exam, once in every 2 years. Every 2 years. Last exam has been conducted on October 2019. As per our knowledge, the next exam will be conducted on October or November slot on 2021. That is after the GATE examination. Yeah, I think that's all for here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And the GATE examination, I'll just go through what is new in GATE examination. The GATE examination. Actually, in this year, the GATE board has been modified. Has introduced many of the new rules. One is the third year students can apply this year. I think third year students who are applying for GATE this year will have good chances. Means if any third year students got good rank this year, they can have good chance of getting into any MTech in GATE 2022, because a GATE marks or GATE score will be valid for 3 years. So any third year student who are applying this year have a good chance to get into a good MTech in the not the GATE 2021, but in GATE 2022 when he has graduated, because GATE score will be valid for 3 years. And apart from that, they are also introducing multi examination. That is, a particular student can apply for 2 subjects at the same time. 2 subjects at the same time. Based on the GATE examination board, a particular student can apply for 2 subjects. But the GATE examination board will decide what are the subjects that you can apply. Suppose a petrol engineering student cannot apply for any other branch apart from petrol engineering. Only the GATE examination board will decide. And let's go to the next. If there are any other modifications, yeah, the GATE exam. When is the GATE exam? Is 6th, 7th, 8th, and for February 6th, 7th, 8th, and on 12th and 13th. They have already decided the GATE examination exams dates. So every student can start preparing very hard from this year. And what are the GATE opportunities? I'll go very fast. I think I already discussed it. I am going to it again because many of the students have been calling us and asking many doubts. So that's why we are thinking of doing the live session rather than a video. Okay, what are the GATE opportunities? One is getting into an MTech. The other is ONGC or PSUs. In MTech, he can majority of the students will apply for IIT Madras and IIT ISM Dhanbad. There a particular MTech student can apply for in IIT Madras for petroleum engineering and thermal engineering. Even in thermal engineering, actually there are actually 2 types. One is scholarship, that is provided by Ministry of Earth Sciences. Apart from the stipend that the college provides, some of the students of the thermal engineering will be provided with a scholarship by Ministry of Earth Sciences, and some of the students will be provided without scholarship. The course, that is thermal engineering. If you can go there. When we come to IIT ISM Dhanbad, we can apply for petrol engineering. The other one is geo exploration. The other thing is industrial management. management. Okay. These are the main courses that you can apply in MTech in these two colleges. Actually, they have very good job opportunities. Many of the, even ONGC is been recruiting MTech students from IIT Madras last year, and every year ExxonMobil recruits students from both the institutes. And when we come to ONGC, we'll talk about ONGC in a minute and very fast. Okay, you can go to GATE, PSUs, ONGC, higher education, IITs. Okay, what is the ONGC recruitment process? Based on GATE score, they will shortlist the students and they will call for sending an application. After shortlisting the students based on GATE score, they will call for an interview, and based on their performance of their interview, they will rate the students for 15 marks. And totally they will recruit the students for ONGC based on GATE score. Wait a minute. Oh yeah. There is, yeah. That's right. Anjani Kumar is right. There are also many other colleges also. One is IIT Guwahati. They are also recruiting for MTech in Earth Science and Engineering. Yes. Actually, right. Thanks, Anjani. And yeah, the interview process, GATE 2020. Based on the GATE score, they'll allot marks for 100. That is, they'll place 60% weightage on your GATE score, 25% on the qualification degree, 15% on your interview, the performance on your interview. Whereas the qualification degree, 20 marks will be given to every graduate students. The extra 5 marks will be given to the PhD students. And yeah, that's the recruitment path for ONGC. Yes, to ONGC, these are the main branches: Reservoir Engineering, Material Management Officer, Drilling Engineering, Production Engineering, and Cementing Engineering are the main branches that ONGC recruits through GATE. We can talk about each branch in next time. Okay. Yeah. What is the optimum rank required to get into an ONGC? That is, generally students say that to get into ONGC you have to rank below 50, and to get into any MTech you have to rank below 100. To get into MTech you should have an average score of 53, because on of as GATE 2020, the person who has scored 49 achieved a rank of 100, and the person who has scored 59 has achieved a rank of 50. So if you want to get into MTech, the optimum score that you have to score is 53, whereas if you want to get into ONGC, the optimum score is 63. Yeah, that's the other thing. If you go to the next page, that is subject wise analysis. I'll be going very fast because I have already explained in my previous lecture what is the subject. What we will be doing subject wise analysis. I think I already know that reservoir plus production plus drilling plays a very important role in your GATE examination, because they have maximum marks allotted to them in the GATE examination. I will just show it to you in the details how. If you can see here, in GATE 2020, 51 marks is from reservoir plus production plus drilling. If we combined that with max plus aptitude, and an average 80 marks is only from reservoir, production, drilling, mathematics and aptitude. We suggest the students not to take the max and aptitude very lightly, because see to get into ONGC means to get a rank below 50, you have to get a score of 63. Out of 63, if you can score 30 only in maths and aptitude, it will be easy for you to get into ONGC very easily, because remaining 70 marks are from the subjects which I have already studied, and majority of them questions will be repeated from last years. And yeah, 80 so on your rank, these 5 subjects play a very important role. If you are preparing for GATE examination, first complete these 5 subjects. After that you can go to the very minor subjects. If you can come here, almost, yeah, 66 marks is from this 5 subjects. In here 70 marks. Similarly, you can see from all the previous year, these 5 subjects play a very key role. Even in these 5 subjects, the reservoir engineering part plays a very important role, because a GATE board can test you only a new amount, means a new question, means a very good question can be given from reservoir engineering only. Whereas from production and drilling, they can only give from the concepts that you have studied. Whereas in reservoir, they can test your concepts, because they can give very new question. As in IIT, if you compare IIT exam with GATE examination, the physics, where the very new questions will be given, right? That is similar to reservoir engineering. So I suggest students, if you are studying the reservoir engineering plays a very important role. Whereas the drilling and production part, they will repeat the questions. Means you can easily solve the production and drilling questions if you have studied very well. Whereas in reservoir engineering, you have to understand the concepts rather than remembering them. And you can see here, almost 80% of the marks are from these 5 subjects only. Here 60%. I am focusing more because these 5 subjects play a very key role in your GATE rank. Yeah, next to the next. Yes. I will right now tell you what is the GATE preparation strategy for each subject. Yes. GATE preparation strategy. Okay, actually this is the new part, apart from the last part which I have discussed in the previous lecture. I thought many of the students will have any doubts, that's why I have repeated that part. Yeah, like if we come to GATE preparation strategy, first and mostly you have to concentrate more on reservoir engineering. Reservoir engineering plays a very important role. If you can study reservoir engineering, means it's not we have one of the main book which many of the students will prefer is Tariq Ahmad. That is Tariq Ahmad. In Tariq Ahmad, what many students do is, after studying for Tariq Ahmad, they think the reservoir has been completed. That's not true. Actually, in Tariq Ahmad, the concepts related to reservoir engineering are very limited. There are vast number of books for reservoir engineering. So you have to study, if you want to get a good rank, you have to study as many books as possible for reservoir engineering. That is very books. That is Tariq Ahmad, one is Kraft Hawkins, and Dundaker, even Elpidek. See, what do I mean by study these 4 subjects? See, right now when you are preparing for GATE, we have vast number of topics in reservoir engineering. Let me take a very small topic. One is petrophysical properties of rock. If you study petrophysical properties of rock correctly, if you go by synopsis in Tariq Ahmad, it will be completed by one day, and you will feel very easy, because you will understand everything in Tariq Ahmad, and you think that the petrophysical properties of rock has been completed, but that's not true. If you go to Tariq Ahmad, and after every topic there are exercises. Many of the questions in exercises are based on corollary, which you have to ignore, but some of the questions are very good. So if you want to prepare for reservoir engineering, you have to solve as many questions as possible, and you have to study as many books as possible. Let me tell you why do you mean by as many books as possible. If you remember, if any of our students has attended GATE 2020, in GATE 2020, 3 questions are based on graphs. I think you have remember. That is, one question is the oil is displacing water, like the similar questions. That are graph questions. Actually, these graph questions, or majority of the questions, are actually directly from these books only. The books I have mentioned. Majority of the questions which are being given in GATE are actually from different types of books. That is, being in oil and gas industry. Apart from these 4 books, there are actually very very large number of books. If you want to prepare very very well, firstly you have to complete these 4 books, and you have to complete every exercise in all these books. And one of the key point while attempting the exercises is, if you have any doubts, if you can't understand a particular question, don't try to mug up the question, because you should try to understand the way you have to attempt the question, because it's play a very very important role. Similar to physics, understanding of the problem is very very important rather than remembering the formula. That's very very important. So when you are solving this exercise, if you have any doubts, clarification of the doubts is very very important to attempt for reservoir engineering. And visiting as many books as possible. You have to study as many books as possible, because I am not able to study line by line. If you suppose take any book, there will be many images on it, very graphs on it, many concepts. What I am saying is, go through it. If you find any concept that is very good and you think it can be asked in GATE, you take that concept and write it in your own book. You have to have your own notes. Apart from the notes that any college or any institute or any coaching center provides, you should have your own notes. That's very very important. You should have your own notes. One of the main things is you should have your own notes, and because it plays a very very key role. Where at the end of the stages, you will be bombarded with questions. You will have many many doubts, and you should have the things you have studied in the past should be useful before the GATE examination only. If you have written the concept that you have come across any other book in a particular book, at the revision time it will help you. And when you are when you are studying for any book, studying in a book, if you find any good graph, try to incorporate that graphs also in your notes. That play a very very key role. And yeah, mainly exercises. Solve as many exercises as possible. If any of the students have any doubts, they can ask me. Let's go to the other part, that is drilling engineering. Actually, in drilling engineering, if you want to get a good score, one of the key and most important is to have your own notes, because this drilling engineering is a subject where you have to remember rather than understand. Remembering part is very high and the understanding part is very low, and you should have your own notes by topic and concept by concept. And suppose if you take any syllabus, do you have to solve unsolved questions from a book or just solve the solved examples? Anjani Kumar, actually you have to solve as many questions as possible, even from the exercises in the book I have mentioned below. If you can see in Tariq Ahmad, there are at the end of every chapter there are exercises. Majority of the questions are based on corollary, but some of the questions are very very good, where it will question your concepts very very good. What I am trying to say is, you have to solve as many as unsolved questions as possible. But one of the key problem when you are studying for GATE is, if you have solved any unsolved question in Tariq Ahmad, and you don't know it is correct or not, if your answer is correct or not, that's very very that's a very huge problem that I have encountered in my past exam, in my past preparation. That's the thing that Paradise Academy will be providing this year, where we will go through every book, every exercise. Suppose right now I am teaching reservoir engineering in Paradise Academy, where after completion of every subject I will go through, I will ask the students to complete this exercise in particular book. After completion of these exercises in the particular book, we will go each question by question, so that the concepts of the question can be understood by the student very well. See, to get a very good marks in GATE, we have to study reservoir engineering as much as possible, because it plays a very huge role. If you can see, last year they have incorporated reservoir engineering with the latest trends, that is gas hydrates, and they have asked questions. So reservoir engineering plays a huge role, and solving as many questions as possible also will help you in getting it. One of the drawback for studying in petrol engineering is there are no books or no exercises books that are available to the students. That's also one of the drawback that we have experienced last year. That's what the Petrodyes Academy will be helping this year. Okay. I'll get back to the topic, that is how to study for drilling engineering. And yeah, one of the key points is you have to have your notes. And if you go to the syllabus, see, at the starting of the syllabus, we will have drilling methods. You have drilling methods. See, you have to go by topic and study it very focusedly. If you go to drilling method, it will be, if you can go to any book, it will be completed in a day or not, in a day or 2 to 3 hours. But that's not the case. You have to go to every other thing. In drilling methods, there are actually so many things. Cable tool drilling, there is AUG, Agner drilling, there is rotary type drilling, there is bottom drive drilling, there are top drive drilling. You have to go topic by topic. See, if after you have to, what are the drilling methods that are available in drilling engineering, you should go like that, because the syllabus is vast. We don't know what is the syllabus of particular thing. For drilling methods, if you go to the topic of drilling methods, we don't know what is the confinement of the syllabus. So you should go by bit, that is topic by topic. Suppose in drilling method there are cable tool drilling, the rotary type drilling, there are top drive drilling, and there is bottom drive drilling. After that, you have to go to cable tool drilling. You have to study the cable tool drilling from top to bottom, that is everything related to cable tool drilling. After that, and you have to prepare the notes yourself, apart from the notes provided by the coaching institute or any other thing. You have to provide your own notes. After any teacher provides you the notes, you have to try to modify the notes as much as possible and increase your concepts as much as possible. That is very key role in playing in drilling engineering. If we come to the numerical part, these are also, you have to solve as many exercises as possible. And one of the key drawback is that you don't know it's correct or not. Some of the books I will just suggest is, one is M.E. Hossain. If you have opened this book, this book has literally almost the hundreds of questions, hundreds of solved questions, and both solved and unsolved questions. You have to complete as there are from today. There is actually 6 months for GATE 2021. So you have very adequate amount of time to prepare, and you should not waste any time. So wasting this time, that is, you have to solve as many numericals as you have to complete this book, that is M.E. Hossain. They have vast number of numericals, and they have many solved and unsolved questions. They have both solved and unsolved questions. You have to complete them. That is, you should at the completion of this course, that is after completing drilling engineering, completion of drilling engineering based on completion of the M.E. Hossain book. That's a very difficult book, and they have vast number of questions, and it will question your concept very well. And yeah, that's the thing. You have to have very good notes, and for numerical part you can go for M.E. Hossain. Yes, the third part is production engineering. Okay, I think many of the students know already. The production engineering is has very huge syllabus. Oh shit. actually have very huge syllabus. So preparing, you should even in this, apart from the notes that the college provide, you have to have your own notes. You have to have your own notes and try to be as small as possible, because there is a huge syllabus related to production engineering. And the numerical part, for numericals you can go for petroleum production operations, that is by Boyango, petroleum production operations. Yeah. See, one of the, as I already told, based on correlations, no question will be given. That is by correlations or corollaries, no question will be given. They will ask based to test your knowledge only. So you don't need to remember the questions. That is using correlation. You don't need to even solve the questions in Tariq Ahmed. And petroleum production operations. Apart from this book, there are also several other books. Actually, I don't remember the name, but you have to have your own notes, because it's a huge syllabus. And try to focus your means time morely on subjects related to well stimulation, artificial lifts, and very small projects. We will be releasing in our book what are the marks allotted to each chapter, that I will be explaining it to you in the next classes. And yeah, these are the main thing related to production engineering. As per the notes that you have to prepare, try to be as what you will tell, brief as possible. That's very good for production engineering. Go topic by topic rather than studying whole at a time. Go topic by topic for preparing of these notes. And it is a very important thing that you go by topic, because it will boost your confidence before the examination. So at the end of the course, that you shouldn't feel that you have left out any other topics in production engineering. And some of the important topics in production engineering is IPR, TPR. The questions related to IPR and TPR are from wait a minute. I don't remember the book. Dale, I think so. Dale Peggs, I think so. Yeah, I'll tell you in the end of this session. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the next part. This is also very important one. One is mathematics. I'll be explaining about my book in the next PPT. Please be patient. Let me talk about mathematics. Mathematics play a very, very important role, because it has 15 marks in it, and scoring in mathematics is very, very easy. So don't take lightly the mathematics part and aptitude part, because both combinedly has 30 marks. And try to solve mathematics also by topic, so it will help you at the end of the course. You should be confident in solving any mathematics question. So go topic by topic rather than studying whole at a time. Yeah, as I already told, for numerical I suggest Kraft Hawkins and Tariq Ahmed. Those two books play a very, very important role. Okay, I think these are the topics, these are the subjects I will be focused on for GATE preparation strategy. Whereas for minor books, you can study however you want, because these 5 subjects play a very, very important role. Wait a minute. Okay, these 5 subjects play a very, very important role. I think I have explained. In this for GATE preparation strategy in reservoir, drilling, production, mathematics and aptitude. Does any of the student have any doubt? You can ask me in live chat or through the raise hand button. No? Yeah. The main books for production are mainly Heriot-Watt book. The other things is, the Boyango book is very, very good. Try to study from that also. And when you are studying, try to maximize your books. Try to complete one book at a time, and try to be very brief about it, and don't leave any topics, because at the end of the, when we start attempting for the test series, you should feel that you have completed every other thing. Okay, and any other thing, any other doubts? Okay, I'll go to the PPT. Yeah, one is mainly focused on reservoir production and drilling. The other thing is the max and aptitude. And the third part is always occupy yourself with subject-related activity. And if you are studying, try to either prepare notes. See, when you are studying, you should have actually 3 notes. One is your own notes that you should prepare. The other one is coaching. If you are taking any coaching or any other thing, the notes that prepared by them, that is your own notes should be a cumulative of the notes provided by the coaching institute and all the books you have referred. That should be your own notes. And the third one is numerical one. In this one, you should have all your numericals. The thing you have studied from starting. See, if you are preparing for petrol engineering today, you should have a separate book where if you encounter a numerical, and if you think it's good to record it and see at the last time, you should have that numerical in your book and try to incorporate that numerical in your book. Okay, these are the main 3 notes you have to have. And try to, when you are studying, try to do either prepare your notes or solve numericals. Don't just study. Try to prepare the notes while studying. That's very important. That is, prepare your notes properly. And the 5th point is cover as many books as possible. As I have already told, majority of the questions given in GATE examination are from the books that actually we also don't know. They search, the GATE board will search for many books as possible, and they will see the question in that book, and they will give the question in GATE examination. And yeah, the other thing is, yeah, cover as many books as possible. Apart from that, you should keep yourself motivated. Yes, actually I attempted GATE in GATE 2019 also. After that, for 1 year I have been studying from home. One of the key thing that you have to remember is there are many times that has let me down, because I already attempted for GATE examination and I got almost an 110 rank, and I think I am studying. After that, I have kept. I thought of studying, taking an MTech, but I thought one of the main things that you have to remember, that is, see, you have to keep your goal in your mind before studying everything. One of the key goal for me is to get into ONGC. So you have to remember yourself what is your key goal. If you want to get into ONGC, you have to keep yourself motivated. So you have to know why you are going to get into ONGC. That's very important, because that plays a very important role in helping you keep motivated. See, I'm going to tell you what made me keep motivated during this thing. I'll just go briefly. One is ONGC. Actually, I have done my IRS training in ONGC. I have done my IRS course. I have done my training in IRS, where I have seen work environment is very good. Actually, I'll just tell you what is the schedule for a ONGC employee in IRS that I have observed, and I thought if I can get into ONGC or that job, it will keep me happy. Let me tell you the schedule. Actually, this helped me in keeping me motivated. One of the thing is, you have to come to the office at 10 a.m. From 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. you have to do your work. Whereas in 10:30 you will have breakfast break. Actually, in the first half of the session, they will actually be working for 1.5 hours only. One of the key important fact related to ONGC is they are actually very free, and it will be very good for working in them from 10 to 1. On 10:30 you will have break up to 11 o'clock. After that, from 11 to 1 you have to work again. And from 1 to 2 there will be a lunch break. After that from 2 to 5 there will be, you have to complete your work. On an average per day you will be working, actually as per government mandate it should be 8 hours, but you will be working for 5 hours only. Even in 5 hours the job will be very very good. I thought when we compare that this schedule with private companies that are offering job opportunities in India is very very high. The stress is very very high, and even it's not worth it to work that much hard for little money. Whereas in ONGC, I will say something, one of the most, they will give 24 lakh per annum. So remember one thing, if you are preparing for GATE to get into ONGC, you have to remember why you are going to get into ONGC, so you can keep yourself motivated. And actually the ONGC has very very good amount of perks that will help you in establishing your career. And not only that, it will be a very peaceful environment when compared with all the private companies. And even the job, there are actually two types of jobs. One is a 15-day job, that is you have to, per month you have to work for 15 days in an offshore rig, and other 15 you can work, it will be, you don't have any work, it will be on off, like you don't have any work, you will be in your home only. So actually when you comprise these all things, there are nothing, no company in India is providing this many facilities with this much pay. That's what I am trying to say. So if you want to keep yourself motivated, just remember why do you want to get into ONGC. Just play a very very key important role while you are studying. Yeah. Okay. Yes. The last part is, yeah, very important thing is you have to clear your doubts during your preparation. You shouldn't let, means if I have any doubt in Tariq Ahmed unsolved question, you shouldn't let it rot, means the doubt, you shouldn't let go of the doubt. You have to clear it out as soon as possible, because you shouldn't, the doubt which you are having now can play a very important role in the examination. So you have to clear your doubt as soon as possible. That's very very important during GATE preparation study. Okay, if you can go into the next part. Yes. Yeah, right now I will be talking about Petrodas Academy. Petrodas Academy is an academy, it's an institute that has been started by my sir in production. For some formulas are so lengthy. No, Amay Kumar, you don't have to remember every formula. There are only certain number of formulas that you have to remember. Not every formula shouldn't be remembered. Yes. Suppose in well stimulation, if you take hydraulic fracturing, there is KGD model formula and PKN formula. You don't have to remember those formulas. So you don't have to remember all those. You have to remember the basic ones. Yeah. Can you open board so you can take? No. Anjani Kumar, you don't have to take notes. After this session, what will happen is, I'll just show it to you. All the things that I have written on the board will be available to you. Means if suppose it will be available to you in the form of PDF. So you don't need to take notes. Who are at the end of the session, who want to have these notes, they can just message me. I will just send the PDF to you. That what are the things that I have written on the boards. Okay. Is there any other doubts apart from that? Okay. It has been started by my seniors who have been currently working in ONGC, and right now I am working as course coordinator for Petrodas Academy. What actually I will be doing is, from today up to the GATE examination, I will be helping students who are joined for online live classes every day. Means apart from me, there are actually ex-ONGC employees who are teaching. What I will be doing is, I will be a guide for the ONGC employees. Actually, the ex-ONGC employees, I actually have very good knowledge. Actually, I will be helping them so that they don't go out of the syllabus. And apart from that, I will be taking all the classes related to numerical part and every other thing. If any student have any doubt, they can contact me during this course. That is for the 6 months. I will be your course coordinator. during these 6 months, I will be your course coordinator, where you can ask me any doubts, any numerical part if you have any doubts, any other thing. Apart from that, I will be your reservoir engineering professor, where I will be completing every exercise in Tariq Ahmad, Craft and Hawkins. Apart from those 2 books, we will also be doing many exercises. Means, suppose today I have teached, today we have completed porosity and permeability. I will suggest the books to you where you have to complete the exercises related to porosity and permeability. After suggesting the books that you are suggesting the books which has exercises related to porosity and permeability, we will be discussing the questions in the next class. Mainly, I will be discussing the numerical part, and I will be guiding every student of Petrodice Academy until February GATE 2021. Okay, that's myself, and as I already told, who has started IIT Islamabad, and who are the faculty related to Petrodice Academy. Apart from me, we have MD Anwaruddin sir. Actually, right now they are preoccupied with the book that we are going to publish. They are preoccupied with that work, so they are unable to give classes, but they will start giving classes from August 10th of this month. And the other is Dakkana Subbaya sir. Actually, even they are ex-ONGC employees. Even though they are ex-ONGC employees, they are worked as guest lecturers for many of the South Indian institutes. Apart from that, they also have very good teaching experience. Because for teaching drilling and production, teaching experience plays a very, very key important role. Because majority of the syllabus related to drilling and production engineering are the subjects related to the work that are being done in the ONGC only. So experience plays a very key role when you are studying for drilling and production engineering. Suppose in last year only, in drilling fields the question has been come, what are the drilling chemical that are to be added to remove zinc scale in oil and gas well. Actually, this is the question generally answered by a drilling engineer or a production engineer when the problem encountered in the well only. So experience play a very, very key role when studying for drilling and production engineering. Okay. Apart from this, yes. Petrodice Academy is the only academy in India that are having their own publications, and they are publishing books related to Petrodice Academy, that is for GATE preparation. And we are the only academy in India that are providing online live classes. There is a difference between online live classes and recorded sessions. So we are the only academy in India that are providing online live classes. As you already know, I think we thought of starting offline classes this year. But due to the coronavirus situation, and majority of our teachers are 60 plus years old, and keeping in mind in the health of our all the teachers and students, we thought this year we won't be conducting any classroom program, because until a vaccine comes, we cannot get out of our homes. So one of the main thing is you have to up to February you have to study from your home only or from your campus. So we thought about recorded sessions, but until there is a good teacher-student interaction, the knowledge cannot be transferred from teacher to student. So we have started online live classes rather than recorded sessions. So we are the only institute in India that is providing online live classes with study material. Yeah, this is mainly about Petrodice Academy. We'll go to the next part. Yeah, what are the main products and services that are being offered by Petrodice Academy? As I already told, we are offering classroom program. As of now, this year we won't be offering any classroom program. So for GATE 2021, we won't be offering any classroom program. Instead of classroom program, we will be providing online live classes where the student can interact using the same UI right now you are using with the teacher. That is the online live classes. Apart from online live classes, we are also having a test series of our own, where the questions are being prepared by our seniors and by our own faculty members. who are very good teaching experience, and there are, yeah. Apart from that, we have our own publications, that is DICE publications, and in the near future we are also be introducing the video lecture series. Actually, we suggest students, if you are studying from home and if you don't have any other work, if you have focusing your 100% attention on GATE 2021, we prefer the students to take online live classes rather than the video lecture series, because in online live classes you can interact with the teacher and you can solve your doubts at the same time, whereas in video lecture series you have to contact the teacher, whereas in online live classes you can you'll have daily classes, so you can have frequently get in touch with the teachers, so it will play a very, very huge role. And apart from them, we will also be conducting an interview guidance program after the GATE examination, and majority of our students get good marks. We will be conducting an interview guidance session. Actually, this interview guidance session will be conducted by one of our ex-ONGC employees who have been part of the recruitment process in ONGC. So they can help you and guide you in the interview process. Yeah, one of the other thing is we are providing is the dictionary app. We suggest everybody student to download this dictionary app. It's free and it is available on our website and Google Play. Actually, in the near future, we will also be introducing unit converter into it and GATE calculator. One of the main problems for the students is unit conversion. So we will be introducing some other features into the app. Right now it is only having dictionary. We will also be introducing a GATE calculator and unit converter into the app in the near future, and many of the features which will be helpful for our students for preparation of GATE examination. Yeah, these are all the main products and services that we are offering as of now this year. Yes. What are the main features of online live classes? As I have already told, online live classes is much better, and actually it's very, very interactive. One of the key features we have chosen online live classes rather than recorded sessions first is the student teacher interaction, because without student teacher interaction, without the student asking the teacher any doubts, you can't understand the concepts. There are many things which you can't understand without student teacher interaction. The students should able to ask doubts at the time of the lecture only. So that plays a very, very key role in understanding of the concepts. So we have chosen online live classes. What are the main features of the online live classes? One of the key feature that we are doing is we are providing 12 books that is prepared by our faculty members and our seniors. 12 books which includes both mathematics and aptitude books. We will be discussing about the books in the next slides. Yeah. Suppose for some reason you have not been able to attend the class on a particular day. So the recorded session of the online live classes will be available to you for 10 days from the date of upload. Suppose this class, if you unable to attend due to some personal reasons, you can attend the class. It will be available to you on your account, and you can revisit the class for 10 days from the date of upload. That we will upload the video after the conclusion of the class in 3 to 4 hours. And the regular assessment sessions. One of the key thing for during studying for GATE examination is keep your motivation. One of the key factor to keep you motivated is a very good competitive, healthy competitive environment. Regularly we will be conducting tests for all our students, so they can compete against each other. So they can study very, very hard, and they don't have to waste any time. To have a very good healthy competitive environment, regular assessment test is required. Suppose if you take reservoir engineering, if I teach porosity and permeability, a test will be conducted by this weekend, where examination will be conducted for all the students, and the ranks will be given. So based on the rank and the performance that you have done, you can correct yourself, and you can participate in a very healthy competitive environment of our institute. And yes, as I already told, we have a very good faculty members. Test discussion. Suppose suppose we have conducted the porosity and permeability test. After every test, we will be discussing every question, because understanding of the concepts generally comes from discussion only. See, if you have attempted a question, if you think from your point of view is wrong, if you write, but the answer has been given different, you can ask the teacher why your version of the answer is wrong when compared with the teacher, because so that the teacher can correct you or correct your misconceptions. If there is misconception in your understanding of the concept, the teacher can correct you when discussing these questions. So test discussion sessions are very, very important when preparing for GATE examination. Similar to IIT, when you are preparing for IIT or any other competitive examinations, after every exam there will be a discussion where the students can discuss why the question is right, means why the other option is wrong when compared to this. So discussion plays a very, very important role. Yeah. The subject wise lectures, yeah, we will be in teaching, apart from petroleum engineering technical subjects, we also be teaching mathematics and aptitude, because as we have already told, majority this plays a very, very key role, mathematics and aptitude, because they combinedly have marks of 30. Yeah, and limited seats, because see, if in online live classes, technically we can add any amount of students, but to have a very good teacher student interactions per session, that is per class, we will be adding only limited number of students. So there is a very good healthy communication, because without healthy communications, no understanding of the concept is not can be done. And for this reason only, because we have already told, for online live classes we have chosen because of the student teacher interaction. Without interaction, the concepts cannot be told. If we add many number of students, the interaction cannot be possible. So we will be limiting the seats for each session, that is for each classroom. Yeah, that is the main features of the online live classes. Okay, if we can go to the next part. Yeah, what are the books we will be providing to our students? See, if we come to reservoir engineering, the reservoir engineering part has both synopsis. We will generally have 7 chapters. In reservoir engineering, we will have 7 chapters, and for each chapter there will be a synopsis where you can if you want to remember your formula, all the synopsis of the chapter will be given. After that, the questions will be given. That is MCQs part, because as we have already told, one of the great disadvantage while preparing for GATE examination is you don't have much exercises to do, because if you have completed petroleum properties of rock, but you don't know what to do next, because you have to test yourself on that particular subject. So we will be giving every student 12 books, where in each book, suppose in reservoir engineering, after reservoir completion of petrophysical properties of rock, you can attend all the MCQs related to petrophysical properties of rock. After every chapter there will be a synopsis and there will be MCQs. Apart from that, we will also be, see, in reservoir engineering only we have already given 700 plus questions in these books. And if we can go to the next part, where is in drilling engineering, the total course has been converted to 9 chapters, and total of 700 plus questions will be given in that book. After completion of every chapter, you can complete the exercises given in the book, that is MCQs. We are very confident about the book, because if you have studied correctly our book, all our books that if you complete all our books that we are providing, you can easily get below 100 without attending any classes, without attending any other thing. By studying only our books, you can be, I am telling, without attending any test series, any other thing, you just prepare only our books, you can get easily below 100, that is air below 100. That much confident we are about that books, because we have played a very good amount of role, because we took very great amount of time while preparing these books. We have tried to incorporate as many numericals as possible and try to incorporate as many concepts as possible. So if you study only these books only, you can easily get into MTech. That's what I am trying to say. That much confident we are about these books, because we have invested that much amount of time while preparing these books. Okay, let's start production engineering. Yeah, one of the key, as I have already told, the production engineering part is very lengthy and it has very huge syllabus, so that we have distributed the book into 18 chapters. After each chapter there will be a adequate number of questions where you can answer it and understand the concepts related to the chapter. Okay, these are the main things related to the 3 subjects. And apart from this, we will also be, right now, reservoir production and drilling will be only provided to our students only who are joining online live classes. Whereas this book, that is our objective petrol engineering book, will be available on Amazon. I think it has already been available on Amazon. It will be available on Amazon very soon, and it actually has more than 1500 questions. There are we have given, we tried to see that there are very less mistakes as possible, less errors as possible, and we tried to incorporate questions that are related to only gate only. We didn't just add different questions, we just given questions that are related to gate only, and we have incorporated a very good amount of numericals in that book. It is strictly as per gate syllabus. This book also contains the previous year questions with solutions. We have also given very good solution with explanations. Yes. Apart from this, we will also be giving these other books to our students who are joining online live classes. This is well testing books. They are also having very good amount of adequate number of questions to prepare. That is well testing, enhanced oil recovery, latest trends in reservoir engineering, the formation evaluation part, the petrol engineering, the petrol exploration, offshore engineering. The only book we won't be providing is of HSC in petrol engineering, because the subject is very vast and it may the book is very hard to, what you will call, create. That's why for this year only we won't be providing any book related to HSC in engineering, HSC in petrol engineering. Apart from these books which are of our publications, we are also giving books related to mathematics and aptitude from other publications that we are going to tie up with to our students. That are engineering mathematics book and aptitude books that are being suggested by our faculty members, that is mathematics faculty members, mathematics and aptitude faculty members. Okay, yeah. While you are preparing, what is the main preparation strategy for online live classes? One of the main preparation strategy for online live classes, as I told earlier, we will make the students to solve as many numericals as possible. That is, solve as numerical possible. One of the other thing is you have to have a very strict timetable, because in video lecture series you can study any time and there won't be any competition for you to give you the push to study. Whereas in online live classes you will have a very good healthy competition. So by having large number of tests, assessment tests and every other thing, it will help you in following a very strict timetable and prepare very without wasting any amount of time. Whereas in video lecture series that we are providing, you can watch any time, but it won't give you have to have very good amount of motivation to study using video lecture series. Whereas in the online classes, you have to prepare the institute timetable. It will be very congested, and will make you solve as many as possible, and daily will give an activity to do, because daily will give to study this particular book, or study from this page number to this page number on a particular book, or to study or to solve these numericals from this particular book, or from the exercises from this particular book. What we will do is we will make you, apart from the notes that we give, we will make you refer as many books as possible, and we will refer you all the books which you have to study. And yeah, the third thing is we will make a very good healthy environment among students. Discussion of all questions after test. Yeah, as I already told, to prepare very well, you have to discuss the questions that you have written. Means if any of the question you have done is wrong, you should know why it has been wrong. That's very important. So discussion of all the questions after the test. Apart from this, at the end of from December from December we will be conducting what we will call discussion sessions, where apart from the questions that we provide, you can bring questions from any other test series that apart from in the market. Bring all the questions. See, apart from this, there are actually some other academy that is providing questions. If you have doubt in that questions also that you have taken, you can ask us and you can send it to us. That is the discussion sessions we will be conducting from December. We will be discussing all the questions in Petromaster 2021 and if any other test series apart from us, and because discussion of the questions is very, very important for understanding of the concepts, as I've already told. Yeah, make students complete as many as possible. Yes, as many books as possible. Concentrating on topics rather than on subjects. What do you mean by that? If you just be on hold, I will just explain it to you. What do you mean? If you can be on hold. See, understanding of the concept is very, very important. As I already told you, have to divide to study. Suppose I will just take an example for you. I will just show you an PPT where it will help you understand what do you mean by rather than topic, concentrating on the topic rather than subject. If you can be patient for some minute. Yeah, I'll just explain it to you in here, the board. Suppose let us take petrophysical properties of talc. What we will be doing in our lectures is we will be dividing these petrophysical properties of talc into various chapters. That is for porosity, permeability, saturation and compressibility and various other things, that is capillary pressure, and we will focus on this chapter very, very highly, because not only we will be going through the basics, we will go to very high advanced model. Let me show you. Yeah, see, if you can see the thing right now, I am showing it to you. This is actually the porosity PPT that we will be teaching our students. If you can see, we will start from basics, that is with what is porosity, what are the types of porosity, and what is the main formulas related to porosity. That is, what are the classification of porosity, what is total porosity, what is effective porosity, what is residual porosity, and what is the difference between them. After that, we will be going to the other classifications, secondary porosity, and go to what related to the topic of the porosity, what are the factors that are affecting the porosity. I think these are the things that are generally you have already been studied. Others, yeah. From this we will play a huge role. That is measurement of porosity. What are the experimental methods that are available to study for what are the experimental methods that are available to measure porosity? There are actually various other methods. We will just concentrate on one method, that is fluid saturation method, buoyancy method. We will go through topic by topic and question by question. We will make the students to solve questions during the classes also through our polling. Through our polling feature, that is the thing that we have incorporated this year, mainly for our teaching sessions. After going, when related to porosity only, we will be going through deeply into from basic level to advanced level. What is porosity? What are different experimental methods related to porosity? And different types of porosity meters available on the market. What are the different methods? That is rock density method, and different questions related to it in the classroom only. Apart from that, summation method. What are the subsurface methods related to it? We will go from basic level to advanced level. One of the main things that many of the students give is don't know is you have to very good notes. We will be providing a very good notes. That is during the classroom, we will be providing very good notes. Suppose take these types of porosity only. Connected porosity, isolated porosity, primary porosity, and what is secondary porosity. What is, we will go topic by topic. What is the microporosity? What do you mean by microporosity? What is intergranular porosity? We will go what is intragranular porosity. What is the difference between those two? What is dissolution porosity? What is interstructural? What is the type of porosity but basically present in carbonate reservoirs? That is carbonate porosity types. And we will be asking some questions after that to keep the students engaged during the session. After teaching everything, we will ask the students a question related to the topic only, so that student can be engaged and the understanding of the topic can be done easily. Okay, that is what I mean by rather than topic. See, if you take a particular topic related to porosity, there are vast number of concepts related to porosity. We will try to cover as many concepts as possible in particular topic only, rather than on the subject. So that when you are preparing for GATE examination, it will be easy for you to prepare and refer notes. Yeah, wow, yeah. The other thing we are going to launch very soon is the video lecture series. We generally suggest students who are having very less time to prepare, means if they are doing any other work, if they are not giving their 100% of their time to prepare for GATE examination, they are generally suggest you to take this series. In the DICE video lecture series, we will be providing 12 books similar to DICE online live classes, and we will be conducting 60 plus tests along with it. And from December, they will be invited to the joint test discussion sessions, where we will be explaining doubts to them. And yeah, the subject wise lectures will also include both mathematics and aptitude, similar to online live classes. That is the main features of the DICE video lecture series. Apart from that, the other thing is a particular video can be viewed 5 times and 5 times during the course, and it will be valid up to February. Yeah, that's the main thing. You can go to the next slide. We'll just give you what is the basic difference between the online live classes and DICE video lecture series. One of the key differences, there will be student teacher interaction during online live classes, that is we will be conducting every day, whereas in DICE video lecture series there won't be any student teacher interaction during the classes. Whereas in online live classes you should follow the schedule provided by the institute. That is, we will be teaching with a flow. That is, after porosity and permeability, we will go to the topics related to saturation. So you can study like with all the students that you are preparing combinedly. Whereas in DICE video lecture series, you can study at your own schedule and you can study whenever you want. One of the key point means when you are studying for video lecture series, you don't have any competitive environment to have to compete with. Whereas in online live classes, as we will be conducting exams daily, there will be a very good competitive environment. And books, yeah, both books will be provided in both online live classes and DICE video lecture series. Yeah, doubts discussion, yes, the doubts will be after every test, the doubts will be discussed in online live classes, whereas in DICE video lecture series, the doubts will be discussed from December, where the students can ask any doubts. That is discussion series, the discussion sessions, the revisit lectures. Yeah, in online live classes you can revisit lectures, but until 10 days from the date of upload. Whereas in DICE video lecture series, you can visit any times, but a particular video can view 5 times. 5 times toward the course. A particular video can view 5 times. That's the main difference between the online live classes and DICE video lecture series. And how to register for online live classes? Yeah, you have to register on our website, that is petrodice.viziq.com, viziqxt.com, and fill the application form on our website. After that, you can contact us. You can contact us, where we'll be providing you a link for payment of the fees, and you can start joining classes. Yeah, that's it. If you can go here, yeah, fee structure. As of now, this year, up to August 10th, a special discount has been given to all the students. That is, they can join classes by paying only 35,000. And if they want to join the classes from tomorrow, they have to pay registration fees of 5,000 to join classes, and you can pay the remaining amount in 2 installments, that is 20,000 and 10,000 during the class, after the starting of the classes. If you want to join classes from tomorrow, you can pay the registration fees of 5,000, and you can start by joining the classes, and this amount will be valid until only August 10th only. So this is the fee structure of online live classes. For 35,000, we will be providing 12 books to your doorsteps, and will be taught by experienced faculty. And not only that, I will be present to guide you in any chapter or any doubt you are having throughout the 6 months course. Like, I will be available to you 24/7 and 180 days, that is until February Gate 2020. 60 plus tests will be conducted. Every day there will be classes. So this is the main fee structure of online live classes. If any of the students have any doubts regarding anything, regarding job opportunities or how to prepare for GATE or any other thing, they can ask me right now through the live chat button or through the raise hand button. Is anybody having any doubts? Do any students have any doubts? Somebody has asked, somebody says they are having a doubt. They can privately message me if they want. I'll just explain it to them. Private messages. There is no college. IIT Guwahati. I think, is anyone having any other doubts? No. Students who bought the test series. Actually, the test we'll be conducting in online live classes are different from students who bought test series could also attend. No. These are only for the online live classes and the discussion series and the online video, the video lecture series. Those only can attend the discussion sessions. That will be from December. Not only they can ask questions from every other thing, any other test series apart from our test series only. They can ask doubts from any other thing on the discussion sessions. Okay. If any other doubts. Okay. Between MCQ book that coming in Amazon and Vikas Mahto. Somebody is asking me what is the difference between the MCQ book coming in Amazon and Vikas Mahto sir book. Yes. Actually, the main difference is we have tried to incorporate as many numericals as possible, and try to include as many topics as also possible. And apart from that, we also included previous year questions with solutions. Apart from that, the pattern and every other thing is same. We are trying to increase, give very good amount of questions. That is related to strictly as we are given questions strictly as per GATE syllabus. That's the thing. If any other thing, sir, what are the opportunities for mechanical engineering petroleum through GATE for PG student? What are the opportunities for mechanical engineer in petroleum engineering through GATE for PG? Actually, I think I don't know. I don't know. I think so. Sorry, Dawal, I don't know. For mechanical engineer in production engineering through GATE, you will be attempting GATE through petroleum engineering. That's what you are trying to say. Yeah, I think so. Actually, I exactly don't know, but you can apply for MTech. Apart from that, I don't know, you can apply for ONGC. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. But to be honest, I actually don't know. Any other thing? Okay. Yeah, if you have any doubts. Wait a minute. In online test series, how many questions will be going to compared to last year? Yeah, actually, many students have been asking. We know that last year we have given a good amount of questions. What we are trying to do is, we are trying to incorporate as many good questions as possible. But we will be giving some questions from last year, which we think are very good, which we think will help students. Not many questions will be given, but some questions will be given from last year. We try to change as many questions as possible. Yeah, that's all. I think that's the session for today. If any of the students have any doubts regarding Petrodas Academy or any other job opportunities, you can talk to us through our Facebook or through in our Telegram channel. You can have it. I have done my BE mechanical. Actually, Dawal, I just don't know, but I will get through. You can message me privately through our WhatsApp account. That is this only. I will be attending this phone. If any other students have any doubts, I will be using the phone of the Petrodas Academy. You can call me through this number only. Okay? If you can call me through this number or message me, I will just talk to my seniors who know more about that, and we can help you through it. And you can also mail us through petrodas@gmail.com. And yes, I think that's the session for today. Yeah, off-campus opportunities for petroleum engineering students. I think I have already gone through it in the first session, in the first thing only. You can revisit this lecture from video from YouTube. We'll be uploading it shortly. And some of the students have asked for the PDF of the board. If any of the students who want to take note of this one can contact us, and I will send you the PDF. Okay, relating to all the things that I have wrote on the board. Yeah, I think that's the thing for today. Thank you very much for coming. If you have any doubts on any other thing, you can just contact me.